Hi, this is my air conditioner wall opening. So this one is slightly bigger than the air conditioner that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this temporary ceiling, temporary blockade, and then I'm going to adjust the opening so that I can fit the new air conditioner. So this one is just to let you know, this opening is 28 inches wide, and top to bottom is about 20.5 inches. So the air conditioner is about 26 inch left to right, and then about 17 and 3/4 from top to bottom. So I have to adjust this opening so I can fit in the new air conditioner. Okay. So the new air conditioner is actually LG dual inverter AC, 22,000 BTU. So I'm gonna open this up and I'll show you the opening.